Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose about phone. Following that, click on device name and type wherever you wish to. When you're ready, When you're ready, select OK. Now you need to click OK in the pop-up to save your changes, and as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!